Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at these WILDE protein chips. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about these chips and help you know what you can expect when you get them. Now, I wanted to show you here, you'll notice these are the WILDE chips here with a lot of different flavors. I want to give a big shout out to the company WILDE for sending me this variety box in exchange for this video. But let's talk about some of the flavors that they offer. You can see this is the sea salt and vinegar one. This right here is one of my favorites. This is the buffalo flavor right here. It has a nice, rich, very authentic buffalo flavor in my opinion. We've also got this spicy queso, again, another one of my personal favorites. And then we've got other flavors such as this pink Himalayan sea salt right there. We've got chicken and waffles, a very unique flavor there. And we've also got kind of that classic barbecue flavor as well. Now you're gonna get 12 bags of chips here in this box. That's 2 bags of chips per flavor there, and each bag of chips is about 1.34 ounces. You can see there at the bottom. I really like these chips a lot. I like that they're individually packaged also, so you can easily just take them on the go. I like to keep them with me kind of for my lunches when I pack a lunch to go. But guys, I can't tell you just how much I love these chips. They taste amazing in my opinion. They have very rich, very prominent flavors also, and I love the ingredient list as well. I'd highly recommend you take a look at that and check that out. But overall, I would highly recommend these WILDE protein chips. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.